Today topic is fractions. We have already learned how to compare two fractions and also how to add and subtract fraction. Okay. Now we have to see the proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? The denominator is bigger than the numerator. Okay. See the proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? The denominator is bigger than the numerator. See one example. You can take 3 by 4. Okay. Another one example 8 by 9. These are all the proper fraction. Okay. Now we see improper fraction. What is improper fraction? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. See the example 11 by 5. Okay. 50 by 7. These are all the example of improper fraction. Now we have to see mixed fraction. See what is the mixed fraction? What is the mixed fraction? See one example. Suppose if you have to take 11 by 5. Okay. See you have to take improper fraction 11 by 5. See 5 and then 11. How many 5 is there? 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. So in this one you have to write in this one quotient. Okay. Write the remainder divided by in this value. This is the mixed fraction. Everybody clear? Okay. Right. Now we have to see like fraction. What is the like fraction? Fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. Okay, see some example. 3 by 11, 7 by 11, 8 by 11, etc. See the denominator. All denominator are same. So this is the like fraction. Everybody clear? Now we have to see unlike fraction. What is the unlike fraction? Fractions with a different denominator are called unlike fraction. What is that? See the example. 2 by 7, 1 by 5, 1 by 4. This is the unlike fraction. Everybody clear? See what is the proper fraction first? The proper fraction is nothing but the denominator. This is the numerator. This one is denominator. Okay. See the denominator is bigger than the numerator. What is the improper fraction? The numerator. This is the numerator. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Clear? Mixed fraction means you have to write in these terms. Next to like fraction. What is a like fraction? Same denominator are called like fraction. Unlike fraction. Fractions with different denominator are called unlike fraction. Everybody clear this basic concept? Now we can see some problems. Okay. The first problem. Convert 100 divided by 7 into a mixed fraction. See, 100 divided by 7. How can you write the mixed fraction? See here. 1 7s or 7, 30, and then here 4, 28, divided by the remainder is 2. So you have to write 100 divided by 7 is nothing but write this quotient into remainder divided by this value 7. Okay, so now you can change the mixed fraction. See the next one. Convert 13 divided by 9 into mixed fraction. Okay, see, 13 divided by 9 means, see here, this 13, 9, 1 into 9, 9, remainder 4. See, you have to write the quotient in this place, remainder in this place, divided by 9. This is the mixed fraction. Everybody clear? Now, see the third problem. Convert 8 into 2 divided by 5 into a improper fraction. See, eight into 2 by 5 means, how can you convert the improper fraction? See, this is the mixed fraction, right? How can you change the improper fraction? In this value, take 8 and then 5. You can multiple. 8 5s are 40. Put plus symbol. Write this 2. Whole thing divided by, write the denominator. See, what I told to you. See, 8 into 5, 40. Put plus symbol, write in this 2, whole thing divided by, write the denominator value. Now you have to write 42 divided by 5. Clear? This is the improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? The numerator is bigger than the denominator, right? So you will get the answer is improper fraction. Next, we see, find the value of the following problems. Find the value. See, this is the fourth problem. First one, I have to take 2 plus 3 divided by 10. Okay. How can you solve in that one? See here, you can take the first value, the denominator value called 1. Clear? See, that denominator value 1. Now you can take the cross multiplication. See, 10 into 2. What is that? 20. Here plus symbol is there. So you can put plus. Now you can take the denominator value 1. So here you can multiple in this 2 value. 1 into 3. What is that? 3. Divided by, next you can multiple in this one. 1 into 10, 10. So your answer is 23 divided by 10. Okay. Now you have to write the mixed fraction. How can you write? See here, this 23. Now you can take 10. 10 2s are 20. The remainder is 3. So in this one, that means 23 divided by 10, which is equal to, write the quotient and then remainder value right here, divided by, in this 10 value, write denominator. Everybody clear? See, you can take the value denominator value is not there means you can take 1. Now you can take the cross multiplication. Okay, 10 into 2, 20. Plus symbol is here. So you can put plus. Suppose minus symbol is there means you can put the minus symbol. Okay, this is applicable for plus and minus only. So now you can multiple 1 into 3. 3. Next, in this 1 into 10, 10. Simplifying in this one, you will get 23 by 10. Now you have to change the mixed fraction means you have to divide 23 by 10 means you will get the result is 2 into 3 by 10. Clear? See the next one. Four by 11 plus 5 by 7. Here the denominator value, this first term is 11, the second term is 7. Okay, so directly you can take the cross multiplication. The previous problem, the first term, the denominator value is not there. That's why you have to take 1. Okay, see, now what is the procedure? Take the cross multiplication. 7 into 4, 28. Plus is here, so you can put plus. 11 into 5, 55. Whole thing divided by 11 into 7, 77. See, 28 plus 55, what is the value? 83 divided by 77. Now you have to write the mixed fraction. How can you write? 77, 83. 1 into 77. Okay, see what is the remainder? 6. So in this 83 divided by 77 is nothing but you can write the quotient remainder divided by 77. Everybody clear? Now third problem. 4 divided by 15 plus 3 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 2. How can you simplifying in that one? Only 2 term is there means you can take the cross multiplication. You can do the procedure. But here 3 term is there. So here also the same procedure you can do. First you can take the first 2 term, find it out the value. Next you will get the answer and that answer plus 1 by 2. Again you can take the cross multiplication. You will get the result. Or otherwise you can take LCM of the denominator for in this one. Okay. What is the LCM of 15, 10, 2? What is the value? The LCM is 30. Clear? Now, you need 30 for the denominator. So, which value you need? Into 2. So, 4 divided by 15, you can take 2 divided by 2. Plus, the next value, 3 divided by 10, you need the denominator value is 30. So, you can multiple 3 divided by 3. Plus 1 by 2, you need the denominator value 30. So, which value you can take? 15 divided by 15. Clear? Now, see here 4 2s are 8 divided by 15 2s are 30. Plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 10 3s are 30. 1 into 15 divided by 2 into 15, 30. Now you have to see the all denominator value is 30. So you can write only 1 time 30. Write the numerator value 8 plus 9 plus 15. Now you can add the numerator 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. So you will get 32 divided by 30. Now you can simplifying in this value. So see here 32 by 30 means 16 divided by 15. You will get 16 divided by 15. Now you can write the mixed fraction means 16 15. 1 into 15, 15. So the remainder is 1. So write the quotient and then remainder divided by in this divided value 15. So your answer is 1 into 1 by 15. Clear? The fourth one. 3 into 1 by 4 plus 5 into 1 by 6. This is the mixed fraction. So first you have to simplifying in this one. See, already you know that. What is that? 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 divided by 4. Here put plus symbol. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Divided by 6. Okay. Now you can take the cross multiplication or otherwise LCM. Okay, va? See, what is the LCM of 4, 6? 24. So, you need 24 for the denominator means which value you can take 6 plus 31 by 6. You need the denominator value 24 means you can multiple 4 divided by 4. See here 13 into 6. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 1. 1 into 6, 6. 6 plus 1. 78 divided by 24. Plus see here 1 into 4, 4. 3 into 4, 12 divided by 24. See the denominator value is 24. So only one time you have to write. See here 78 plus 124. What is 78 plus 124? 12. Okay. 0, 2. Divided by 24. Okay. See 202 divided by 24 means you have to divide. Or otherwise you have to first simplifying in this one. After that you have to divide. Okay, va? See here 24 into 8. Suppose you can take 8 4s are 32. 3, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3, 19, right? See here 8, 192. So 10. So 202 divided by 24 is nothing but write in this value 8, 10 divided by 24. Now simplifying in this one you will get here 5 divided by in this value 1, 2. So your answer is 8 into 5 by 12. Everybody clear? Next, fifth problem. 1 minus 13 divided by 15. See, the denominator value is not here. So you can take 1 divided by 1 minus 13 divided by 15. Okay. See, now you can take the cross multiplication. 1 into 15, 15. Minus is here, so you can put minus symbol. 1 into 13, 13. Whole thing divided by 1 into 15, 15. Everybody clear the cross multiplication concept? See, 15 minus 13 means 2 divided by right 15. Okay. The next one, multiplication of fraction. See, multiplication of fractions. What is that? Now, we are going to study how to find the product of fraction. Okay, see the first one, 3 into 2 divided by 7. You have to take. See, what is the symbol? Multiplication. So directly you can multiplication the numerator. 3 into 2. What is that? 6. Divided by, write the denominator value. Clear? See one more example. 9 into 7 divided by 4. See here, multiplication symbol is here. So directly you can multiply. 9 into 7. What is 9 into 7? That means see here, 9 into 7 directly you can take. What is that? 63 divided by 4. Okay. See. Now, you see some problem. Find the following products and express the answer as a mixed fraction. See, the first problem, 3 into 5 into 1 by 4. So first you have to simplify this mixed fraction. So you write this 3 into, how can you simplify the mixed fraction? 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 4. Next, what is that? See, 3 into 21. Directly you have to multiple. Divided by 4. What is 3 into 21? 63. Divided by 4. What is your question? You have to find the mixed fraction. Right? See, 63 by 4. So, you can simplify 1 into 4, okay, 4. But here 63 is here. So, which value you can take? Suppose you have to take 15 means, what is 15 into 4? 5 4s are 22, 4 plus 2, 6. See, you have to take 15 4s are 60 divided by 3. Now you have to write the mixed fraction. Write this quotient and then remainder divided by, in this divided value, by 4. Okay. Everybody clear in this problem? Now see the second one. 8 into 4 into 3 by 7. Okay. See here, you can write 8 into 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 7. See here, 8 into 31 divided by 7. 24 divided by 7. Okay. Now you have to simplifying in this one. 7 248. See, now see, 7 into 35 means 7 5s are 35. 3 7 3s are 21, 20, 24, 245. So Here 7 into 35 means 245. Directly I have to take the division divided by 3. So you can write 248 divided by 7 is nothing but write this 35. 3 divided by 7 is your answer.